with the Voices from Our Earth and our project Voices of Hope. It was um, it was very amazing, to know a little more about our communities and about all the climate fights and that we've been having here in Puerto Rico, in our island. And it's been amazing the impact that it had. We see so many different situations going on all over the world with the COVID-19 crisis and everything that has been going on. But we still believe that we can make a difference in the world, that together we can make it, and together we will make that change happen. We have a voice and we have to use it. And that's what they teach us. And with this project of Voices of Hope, we not only listen to what they have to say, but we learn from other communities. I just wanted to say how grateful we are of receiving this award of the Roots and Shoots 30th anniversary. It means to be part of a group that really believes in hope, because that's what Dr. Jane Goodall gave to us. She's a beacon of hope for all the Roots and Shoots members. Just stay tuned for the exchange between the countries. It's going to make a big difference. I'm just very grateful for the chance that this campaign Voices from Our Earth and the project Voices of Hope. Así que mis agradecimientos para todos y cada uno de ustedes. Muchísimas gracias de verdad. Y mucho éxito y felicidades a todos los demás compañeros y compañeras de los otros países, ¿verdad? De Roots and Shoots, que fueron galardonados con este premio de Roots and Shoots 30 Aniversario Awards. Así que muchas gracias.